Hey, what's up, Jay? It's Josh Betzel. Thanks for talking with me on the phone earlier today, and thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to be briefly showing you 3 things I found on your website that you could fix pretty easily to start bringing in a ton more customers. And I know you're probably thinking, Josh, why are you making this video for me? Well, I know most of the time most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to getting help from someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So what I started doing was giving away these attack plans for free. Some people call me back, some people don't. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm just trying to educate as many business owners as I can. The main 3 things we're going to be going over today is content, backlinks, and citations. But before we jump into that, I just really want to say that I like your site. It's definitely got a good vibe. But the first thing I want to talk about is content. So when I went ahead and plugged your content, you came up with 300 words on the homepage versus all your pages actually. Because let me go back over, move this tool back to your website. Yeah. As I scroll down, you have all your pages on just one page. So we kind of brand this as a landing page almost. So yeah, you only have 300 words, and your competition is Superior Fence and Rail. They're your competition because obviously we type in fence installation, Pensacola, Florida. They're number 1 organically. They have about 979 words, all right? But where we really want to be is around 1,500 to 2,000 words, and this is the reason why. Google sends out robots. These robots, they go and crawl through content looking for keywords. The more content you have, the more they crawl. So as an example, I'll just go back over, let's type in fence installation. And we'll do Command F, fence installation. So it comes up that you have seven words, and that's it on your website for fence installation. Fence installation is a huge keyword. You want to talk about keywords? I'll go over here and just go to Superior Fence and Rails again and go to their organic keywords on my Ahrefs site. As soon as it will load, it will show us. All right, perfect. So as you can see, here's all the volume for these keywords that they're using and ranking for. And as you can see, the keyword difficulty is not that hard, and you can see the volume is pretty high. All right. So this kind of brings me actually over to the second thing I want to talk about, which is backlinks. Backlinks are basically anywhere you find a website linking to another website, via clickable or hyperlink text. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Literally like a popularity contest where the person with the most website wins the organic spot. So I went ahead and plugged you into my Ahrefs account, and this is a paid tool. Ahrefs is. But you can absolutely use or Google SEO Quake, SEMrush. There's a couple of others that are free tools if you want to do this on your own. And you come up with 16 referring domains and 201 backlinks. So you're probably wondering, how the heck is Superior Fence and Rail beating me with only 7 referring domains and 11 backlinks? And I went ahead and just plugged in the second competition, which is A1 Hurricane, and they're at 46 referring domains and 175 backlinks. So you're wondering, how the heck is Superior Fence and Rail beating both of us? Well, this is the reason why. Not all backlinks are created equal, okay? That's very, very important, because if you don't have actually related backlinks to your website, it could actually lower the integrity of your website that Google likes to see. A good example would be, would you rather have fencing be on the cover of Fencing Magazine United States, or would you rather be on the cover of like a Pizza Hut? Definitely the fencing, because you have absolutely nothing to do with pizzas, right? So that's kind of like the best explanation I could give for backlinks. And the third thing I wanted to go over was citations. And citations is actually how you rank in this map pack right here. And I did see that you're on the map pack on the front page, which is pretty good, but we don't want you just on the front page. We want you in the top 3. So when people are searching for fence installation Pensacola, Florida, your website's already in their mind here and here. All right. Citations is anything with what we call a NAP, name, address, or phone number. So basically, citations help you rank in this map pack here, which is extremely important for local businesses since they can generate huge amounts of revenue. And I'll show this for example. A1 Hurricane, they're not ranked number 1 organically, they're ranked number 2. And just because they're ranked number 1 in the map pack, they're getting 215 organic traffic. So let's say you just land 10% of that 215 traffic once you're ranked in the map pack. You can do the math. That's 20-25 extra clients a month times what you charge for fence. Pretty big money, right? So citations is how you get maps in that beat people in this map pack. And if you have 200 to 300 of those bad boys, you will be absolutely untouchable. And these citations include directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Expertise, Triple B, hundreds of others you might have heard of. Social media accounts are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. All right, so I just want to go back over and recap what we went over. And the first thing was add more content to this page and implement more keywords, okay? So you're at 300 words, definitely get to that 1,500 at least. The second thing was backlinks. You need more relative sites pointing to you guys to show Google you are the authority. All right, as you can see, your organic traffic is 0 right now. And then the third thing is citations. So definitely need about 200 of these bad boys to be untouchable in the map pack. And that's pretty much it. One more other thing. I just want to go about content. When you are implementing pictures in your website, you can hide keywords in pictures as well. So this is saved as like about. I'll go down here, save image as service 3_thumb. That's not going to help you at all rank. Okay, so save those with keywords that we found earlier. All right. Like I said, my name is Josh. My number is 904-383-8479. My doors are always open. Again, my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.